Hello my dear children. Today we study remaining part of the program which was user defined method based on function or method. First program, what was that? Palindrome. Write a program using a method palin to check whether a string is palindrome or not. What is a palindrome? Palindrome is a string that reads the same from the left to right. Suppose you input madam. So madam is a input because both the character left and right are same. Now we can go to the code. Same case, what you have to write? Import java.util scanner class. Our class name, what was that? Palindrome. And function name, what was that? Public void palin. And use the scanner class in equal to new scanner system.in. Then you have to print the string. Then you have to read that string. So you have to write which data type you are using. String word equal to in dot next line. Now we have to come to the logic. You have to use the which data type. String RE means reverse a word equal to two double quotes you have seen. For what that was? To store the reverse word. Then after that we are taking one loop for int I equal to word dot length. And what is the function of the length? You have to find out the length of the string. And minus 1 I greater than 0 equal to 0 semicolon I minus minus. Now see here, suppose you enter a string str in that one word madam. Now you have to print the length of that string. How will you print? System.out.print str.length. So you get the length of that string. What was that? 5. Now you come to the reverse word. Reverse is what? Equal to rv plus word dot character a ti. Now suppose you have to find out the character of that word. See that string str equal to madam. Then system.out.print str.character at1. Now see the in character you have to write the index number. The index will always start from 0 onwards. So madam, what was that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to find out the a 1. System.out.print string str.character 81. So what was the one? A was there, so we'll get the a. So that character 80 we applying here. Now after that you will get, suppose I is what? Word. I is equal to word dot length. Then I is greater than 0 is correct. Then I minus minus. Then come to the reverse. Our reverse what was that? RV plus word dot length and character a 80 I. Now see the I, what was that? M was there. So you'll get the M. Likewise you have to reverse that word. All the word you have to add. Then you get the reverse word. Now you have to check the palindrome. How will you check the palindrome? If word dot equal reverse, if both the word are equal is there, so you will get the palindrome. So how will you check it? See here, string as what is the function of equal? See, string str equal to madam, string str to equal to madam. If you print sop dot s dot equal a and b, both a and b are equal. S dot equal b, both s and b are equal, that means it is a true. So that same logic we apply here. If word dot equal reverse, both are same equal, so you will get a word is a palindrome, else the word is not a palindrome. In this way you can work out the logic of the palindrome word. Second program, characters of each word here to display. So write a program in Java to accept a string from the user and pass the string to a function. Function name, what was that? First bracket and open the bracket, in that you have to write string str, which display the first characters of each word. Suppose you have input understanding computer application, the output will be UCA, that means first characters of a first means every word here to display the first characters, UCA. Now come to the logic of this program. Write scanner class, import java.util.scanner, our class name character, open the curly bracket, public void first, then string str. So your function name, what was that? First string str. Suppose you have in string str, you have put one word. What was that? UNCOMAPP. Actually was understanding computer application. That word we have stored in a str. And the index of that number is 0 to 9. Now we are using integer data type and car. In integer we are using two variable I, L, and car we are using ch. Now str equal to str.trim. What is the trim function? Trim function remove white space from both end of a string. That is the function of the trim. Now str equal to double quotes is there plus str. What is the purpose double quote? That means you have to give the space for str. For space purpose we are using double quotes. Now L equal to str dot length. That means length of the string. Length of the string you have to store in L. So length of the string, what was that? How many words are there? 10. That L, what was that? 10. So length of the string, what was that? 10. Now you have to take a loop. Loop what? For I equal to 0, I less than L, I plus plus. So your loop will be start from I to, that means 0 to 9. Then I open the curly bracket. Now I have taken ch is equal to str dot car at in bracket I. That means each extract character you have to store in where? ch. So car at means you have to extract a character. That means suppose you extract a word, that means you will get in a, that you will be stored in ch. Now if ch equal to single quotes are there, that means you have to checking the space of the characters. Suppose you have seen that you are using trim. No, trim is what? You have to give the white space from both end of a string. So before u and after app space is there. So that space will check, who will check? ch equal to I. Now after that you have to print system.out.print str. Character at I plus. Mean after extracting each character it will be stored in str, and that str you have to print. So in this way you will get the first characters of each word. Now you have to invoke a functions. So how will you invoke a function? Public static void main string string args scanner in equal to new scanner system.in, and you have to enter a string, then string s equal to new string s equal to in dot next line. Then you have to take the class name. Your class name, what was that? Character obj dot new character. Then call the functions. What was that? Obj dot first. Then what you have to put? S. Then you have to close the bracket. So in this way you can do the display of first characters of each word. Today for this much only. Thank you my dear children. Hope you have understood this program.